little learners. Namaskar parents. How are you all of you children? Hope all of you fine, fit and healthy in your home. I am Samyum Jailani. I am taking English subject for you all. I am from New Era Global Kids School. So children, I welcome you all in our English explanation classes. Before we start our class, what we do? Yes, we do prayer. Everyone, join your hands. Close your eyes. तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीश कर, सभी का है तू, सभी है तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीश कर. तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीश कर, सभी का है तू, सभी है तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीश कर. तेरी मर्जी से है मालिक, हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं. तेरी रहमत से हम सब ने ये जिस्म जान पाए हैं. तू अपनी नजर हम पर रखना, किस हाल में है तू नजर रखना. तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीश कर, सभी का है तू, सभी है तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीश कर, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीश कर. So children, rub your palms, touch your eyes, rub your entire face. Okay? How do you feel, children? Feeling fresh? Yes. Children, first of all tell me what we did in our previous class. Yes, we did add sound words. Okay, nowadays I am showing you a sound words. Yes or no children? Yes. Okay, in previous classes what we did? These words. Okay, these add sound words. Okay, add sound words. Map, 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 map. Okay, this is the picture of map. Map, 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 map. And next we seen cap, 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 cap. Okay, and next one is tap, 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 tap. Okay, and nap, 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 nap. So children, in our before classes we sing these app sound words. Yes or no? Yes, we sing these app sound words. Now we start our fresh and new topic. Okay, that is add sound words. Okay children, today we are doing add sound words. ये वोवल साउंड में क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Add sound words start कर रहे हैं. Okay children, here you see children, this is the rhyme of add sound words. Okay, this is the rhyme of add sound words. Okay, let's read now. Okay children, cat, cat, cat. Cat, 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 it is my cat, it is my cat. My cat is fat, my cat is fat. Hat, 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 hat. A hat on the cat, a hat on my cat. Pat, 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 pat. A pat my cat. you understood? Add some words from children. So children, today we are starting our add sound words. Okay? Today we are starting add sound words. Okay children? Now children, I will show you some sight words flashcard. Okay, these sight words are helpful to read the sentence and also make some sentences. Okay, the first one is why, and next is see, देखना. ओके, सी का मतलब है देखना. यू ध. ओके, वी ऑल्सो कॉल इट दी. इसको दी भी बोला जाता है और ध भी बोला जाता है. ओके चिल्ड्रन. was, has, who are you? Okay children. Next one is where, कहाँ, where. Okay, and our next flashcard is what. Okay, and our next flashcard is she. This is ball. जो पास में जो भी चीज होते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? This is ball. Okay children. R. That is fan. ओके, जो दूर की चीज़ें होते हैं, जब भी हमको दूर की चीज़ों को देखना होता है या बोलना होता है तब that यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, that is bench, that is fan. ओके, that is window. ओके children, do you understood sight words? Yes. Children, nowadays I am showing you A sound words. In A sound words, here today we saw at sound words. Okay, at sound words. Okay, this is the picture of bat. Bat. This is the picture of bat. Some children play with bat. Okay, and in cricket the players do batting with the help of bat. Okay children, now I show you the next flashcard. Okay, this is the picture of cat. This is the picture of cat. Cat. This is the picture of cat. Have you seen the cat children? It may be in your houses. Okay, it may be in your surroundings. Okay children, and our next flashcard is hat. Okay, can you see here children when we use this hat? In summer season. Okay, we use this hat when we feel very hot Okay, on that time we use this hat. Okay children. And next one is rat. 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 This is the picture of rat. Okay. Have you seen the rat, children? It in your houses and also it in the shops. Okay children, we see rat in the houses also and in shops also. It roam here and there. Yes or no? आपने कभी भी चूहे को देखा है बच्चों? वो एक जगह ठहरता ही नहीं है, वो इधर उधर भागता रहता है ना बच्चों. Yes, this is the picture of rat. 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 Okay. All of you understood children? At sound words. Okay. Now children, I show you here one activity. Missing letter activity. Okay. Here some words are there. Can you see here children? Some letter arts there. Okay. And here at sound word. Okay. Here is at. At. Here is our at words. Okay. And I want to make some words, 3-letter words. Okay. Missing letter, starting missing letter. Okay children. I want to make mat. Okay. Mat. Which is our missing letter children? In mat, what we found the first missing letter? Yeah, M. Okay. M. Where is M here children? Here. Okay. So children, I keep here M. Okay. This is at. Mat. At. Mat. At. Mat. Ma at mat. Ma at mat. Ma at mat. Okay. Again I want to make rat. Rat. Okay. Which is our first letter in rat? R. Where is R here children? Here. So children, I keep here R. Okay. And rat. 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 Okay. And again I want to make hat. Hat. Where is H here children? Yes. Here. I keep here H and our word is hat. At. At. At hat. At hat. At hat. Okay. This is our H is our missing letter. H is our missing letter. At hat. At hat. Okay. And again I want to make sat. Where is S here children? Where is S? And our first starting letter in sat, what we found? Starting missing letter S. So children, where is S here children? Here. So children, I keep here S. Okay. S. At. 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 Sat. 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 Okay. So children, this is at. Sat. 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 And children, I want to make cat. Can you find children? Where is C letter here? Yes, here is there. So children, I keep here C. This is our missing letter. Okay. In cat, this C is our missing letter. Cat. 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 Okay. This is cat. 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 And I want to make bat. Okay. I want to make here bat. So children, here I got B. Okay. B says B. I am keeping here like this, and bat. Bat. B at bat. B at bat. This is our three letter word. Okay, three letter word. B at bat. Okay children, are you enjoyed the activity children? Yes, very good. Children, now I am showing you here some A sound words. Okay, can you see here lots of A sound words children? Yes. Okay, I am read one by one here. All of you repeat with me. Everyone speak along with me. Okay. K a b cab. N a b nab. H a d had. F a d fad. P a d pad. T a g tag. Apple sap. At mat. D ab dab. T ab tab. L ag lag. V ag vag. R a ram. B a ban. Man. T a p tap. B a t bat. V a t vat. T x tax. B a d bad. N a g nag. K a can. Y a p yup. K a t cat. R a g rag. Y a k yak. D a dam. G a s gas. F a t fat. R a t rat. D a d dad. M a d mad. G a g gag. S a g sag. L a g lag. H a ham. F a fan. G a p gap. R a p rap. H a t hat. Okay, these all words are A sound words. Okay children, all of you understood? These all words are A sound words. Okay, hope all of you understood these A vowel sound words. Okay, everyone, take care and namaskar.